Welcome back, tech enthusiasts, to another review on UK Pro Reviewer. Today, we're diving into the world of productivity and comfort with the Veilzor wireless keyboard and mouse combo. If you're on the hunt for a versatile and ergonomic setup, you're in the right place. Stick around to uncover all its features and how it can make your work more efficient. Let's kick things off with what sets this combo apart: comfort. The Veilzor wireless keyboard and mouse combo are designed to provide all-day comfort. With a foldable kickstand and a non-slip, sweat-resistant textured wrist rest, this combo reduces wrist pressure, making it perfect for long work sessions. What's more, it comes with a built-in universal phone holder, giving you an extra place to put your phone, iPad, or other gadgets without cluttering up your desk. Now, you can easily check your phone's notifications without picking it up. Efficiency is the name of the game here. The keyboard comes equipped with 10 individual multimedia keys that give you quick access to various functions like search, calculator, media playback, and more. Plus, it's compatible with both Windows and Mac systems. The 6-button mouse with 3 DPI settings and forward-backward functions ensures smooth navigation, making web browsing a breeze. Hey there! Worried about connectivity? Don't be. The Veilzor combo offers a stable and lag-free 2.4G wireless connection with a signal range of up to 33 feet. And here's a pro tip. The wireless keyboard and mouse share a single receiver, which is conveniently stored at the bottom of the mouse. Power saving is built into the DNA of this combo. If the keyboard and mouse are inactive for over 8 minutes, they automatically go into sleep mode. But don't worry, you can easily wake them up by pressing any key. Both the keyboard and mouse also feature separate on-off switches, saving power when not in use. Let's talk durability. With a design that can withstand bending up to 10,000 times, this combo is built to last. The keyboard features an impressive 18-month battery life, while the mouse can go for an astounding 24 months without needing a battery change. The Veilzor combo has several user-friendly features that deserve a mention. It includes a full-size keyboard with a number pad, making it perfect for highly efficient work. Bright indicator lights for num, caps lock and battery status keep you in the know. Plus, the keyboard is spill-proof, so accidental spills are no longer a cause for concern. Lastly, both the keyboard and mouse are designed with your comfort in mind. The foldable kickstand and non-slip wrist rest take the pressure off your wrists, allowing for a more comfortable typing experience. The mouse's ergonomic design also contributes to a comfortable and efficient workflow. And there you have it, the Veilzor wireless keyboard and mouse combo, an ergonomic, efficient, and comfortable solution for your workspace. Whether you're a professional or a casual user, this combo is designed to enhance your productivity and comfort. If you found this review helpful and informative, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tech insights, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest reviews. Thanks for joining us today on UK Pro Reviewer, and we'll see you in the next one. If you have any questions or comments about the Veilzor wireless keyboard and mouse combo or any other tech products you'd like us to review, please leave them in the comments section below. Your feedback is invaluable to us. Until next time, work efficiently and comfortably with Veilzor.